question says, figure shows a small block of mass m kept at the left end of a larger block of mass m and length L. The system can slide on a horizontal road. The system is started towards right with an initial velocity v. The friction coefficient between the road and the bigger block is mu, and that between the blocks is mu by 2. Find the time elapsed before the smaller block separates from the bigger block. So, if this block is moved to the right with a velocity of v, this will have a tendency to move this block of small m along with it due to the presence of friction. So, a frictional force of F1 will be present over here. So, an equal and opposing force will be present over here, which is F1. Since this frictional force has a tendency to move this block to the left, an opposing frictional force will act that will be to the right, that is F2. Now, writing the magnitudes, we have F1 equals to m into A1, that is equals to mu by 2 mg, cancelling the factor of m and marking it as equation number 1. Let us move to the bigger block, that is mass into acceleration equals to mu by 2 mg minus mu m plus m g towards left. Please note that this is in the right direction and this is in the left. So marking it as equation number 2. Also, let us solve this concept of covering the length L with the relative concept. So we have a relative displacement of length L because block 1 covers L distance with respect to capital M block. So, and the acceleration, that is the relative acceleration, will be A1 plus A2 because both are in opposite direction. We need to find out the time. So let us employ the second equation of motion, that is S equals to ut plus half at square. Now u relative is equals to 0 because it started with a velocity of v and there will be no relative motion at the initial moment. So we can say that L equals to half into t square into A1 plus A2, that is mu g by 2 plus mu mg over 2m, this whole minus twice of mu mg plus mu capital Mg, giving us L equals to 1 by 2 into mu m plus m over 2m into t square, giving us time equals to under root of 4 ml over m plus m mu g.